Hello, Mandy Hopper, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and welcome to July 2019. I am really excited about all of the neat, wonderful host and customer specials that were released today. I will tell you about all of that in this little video. So the first thing I want to tell you about is the hosting specials. I've got that graphic right here. And this is my little basket along with the mop because it is mop month. You can earn a mop for free in the 550 host package. All right, so for having a party of 550 in the month of July, you are going to get all the things in this little basket. I will show you. It is EnviroCloths, a window cloth for your booking, another EnviroCloth, and another EnviroCloth, and the netted dishcloths, some laundry detergent, and a shopping spree. All of that for having a 550 party in the month of July, and not only that, but this great, awesome, wonderful mop. All right, so it is a large mop system with the dry mop pad and the wet mop pad. It is all in that 550 host package, and you can earn even more at the $750 or $1,000 level, but what a fun thing to earn, right? So that if you have thought about doing a party ever, sharing with your friends and family, it doesn't matter if it's a catalog party, if it's a workshop, if it's a coffee chat that you want to invite a few friends to, I would love to partner with you to share Norwex. So it could be a big party, it could be a really casual little get together that we don't even call a party, whatever. I love sharing. So that is the host package. And yeah, who doesn't want to earn a free mop system? Maybe you already have one, you want another one, you want to give it as a shower gift, a wedding gift, whatever, birthday gift or something. Now is a great time to host and earn it for free. And then we have customer specials for the month of July, and they are sitting right here. The first one is the Summer Splash, they're calling it. We have a toddler bib, and it is called the Promise Bib. It says, I'm a promise of a brighter future. This little bib is so great. It is a toddler bib. You can pull it back on a smaller child, or you can pull it down this way for a little bit more room. And it has a reverse side, which is an awesome color. So it has the back lock. It has its own little body cloth in the sun right here. So it is a really, really nice bib, along with the, let's see, make sure I say all the right words, the bath sponge, the kids' bath sponge. So I just want to say real fast here, you can see that it's kind of the right size here, right, for this neck hole, because what Norwex did was they used the punch out extra piece. Instead of throwing that away, they made these awesome kids' bath sponges with that excess. So I love that about these, and so far they've had really, really great reviews. They are new as of last August. Is that right? I think that's right. And so these, but the sponges are newer than that, actually. The bibs came out in August, and these, I believe, were a later product than that. So anyway, I've heard really great things about this. My daughter-in-law actually says she loves that. And then the the kids' bath, 4-in-1 basically, is also in this little special. It is a sample, so it goes a long way because you don't need to use that much, but it is a bubble bath, a shampoo and a conditioner, and a body wash all in one. It does bubble. My grandkids actually just don't think that they can do life without it. So there is that special that is 12% off when you buy it in the month of July, like that. It's called the Summer Splash Special. And then we have the Catch Some Waves, other customer special, and that is saving 15%. You can get this beautiful purple bath towel It is large, you can see, super soft, and this great chevron print, gray with the purple chevron. And then you get a hand towel, so it's a nice, great, perfect size hand towel. And you get a package of these body cloths. You can see this is a 3-pack, and this is all limited edition set. And if you don't have a bath towel, you will love this. You need them. If you do and you love yours, this might be something that's just perfect to add to your collection. It's nice to have everybody have their own colors. So anyway, that is a special that you can get for $71.37 for all of that during the month of July. And then you guys, I don't have this one to show you, but check this out. I am so excited about this. It is a, what do you call it? Make sure I say the right thing. Get the printed suede beach towel. Beach towel. And it comes in its own carrying bag, and you're gonna get it if you spend $125 in the month of July. You can buy it for $25. So you're gonna save $34.99 on that awesome bath. No, not bath. Beach towel. So yay! I've never seen it. I'm super excited to get one for myself, or maybe quite a few. What do you think? You want to get one too? I would love to help you. So check it out. I will post a graphic, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to see comments below.